Step 1. Access a3rev.com. Go to a3rev.com in your web browser. Step 2. Log into your account. Log into your a3rev customer account using the login credentials provided in your email. Step 3. Download the a3rev dashboard plugin. Once logged in, locate the a3rev dashboard plugin and download it to your computer. Save it in a location where you can easily find it later. Step 4. Access your WordPress site. Now, log into the WordPress dashboard of the site where you want to install the plugin. Step 5. Install and activate the plugin. Navigate to the Plugins menu and select Add New. Click on the Upload Plugin button and choose the a3rev dashboard plugin file you downloaded earlier. Once uploaded, activate the plugin. Step 6. Connect your site to your a3rev account. After activation, you'll be redirected to the plugin menu. Use the same credentials you used to log in to the a3rev site and click the Connect button to link your site to your a3rev customer account. Step 7. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and activated the a3rev dashboard plugin on your website. You'll now see a new item in the WordPress admin menu with 5 submenus. Manage, Access Membership Details, Dashboard Access, Updates, and News. Here, you can view membership details such as member type, status, expiry, and number of activated sites. You can also check for available plugin and theme updates and manage access to dashboard menus on this site. Additionally, you can check for new releases of our plugins or themes. Plugins. Here, you will find all our plugins divided into categories such as WordPress, WooCommerce, and more. Under each category, you'll find the plugins you've purchased and free ones. You need to go to the appropriate category tab to find your plugin and install and activate it. Please note that if you've purchased a single plugin, only that plugin and the free plugins within its category will be active. Block theme. Install the DAT theme. Support. Access the support section to raise tickets.